Hello again, friends, fans, and family. Welcome back to day 2 of the mic check. Yes, I'm in different surroundings today, and it may sound a little bit different. That's part of why we're doing this. I am in my closet slash workroom. Um, I have a really big walk-in closet in the apartment that I put an L-shaped desk into and turned into my workroom where I do my refound love of model building. Um, so we're going to test it out. I know on phone calls this sounds a little more closed in than, uh, for example, in the truck from yesterday. Uh, but anyway, so tonight we're going to take a few minutes and talk about the difference between burst transmissions and riding the storm out. I had some ideas last night after making the first video. Um, so YouTube does shorts, short form, and long form, and apparently that's a thing. Apparently that's 3 different things. So with that in mind, I'm wondering if maybe burst transmissions might be perfect approach for short form. It's in the name, burst transmissions, short form. And then riding the storm out would be for longer videos because, you're having to ride the storm out with me. And then, of course, the shorts, either things that I find that are things I find to talk about that are super short or made clips out of longer videos as, I guess, kind of teasers. So with that in mind, I'm thinking about taking that approach. One thing I can already tell, sitting in this space, I can see my light reflecting in my glasses. I don't like that. I'm going to have to do something about that. Whether it be the looming narrator or simply doing something else with the light, such as, well, that almost worked. Anyway, let me undo that if I can real quick, without tearing anything up on the backside. So there we are. Thinking about short form, which burst transmissions I think would be ideal for short form, and then the riding the storm out for the longer videos. Something to think about. Content, like we discussed last night, would vary between the gaming all the way on up to emergency preparedness and who knows? I might even do a burst transmissions from the pulpit, just depending on what strikes my fancy. Like I said, I have a lot of ideas on a wide variety of topics. But anyway, I'm going to close out for now. It's been over 3.5 minutes at this point, and I really do not like how that light is working out. So I'm going to have to find something else to do in its place. So we will call this one good for now. We've learned a lot. I've learned a lot already. Be more aware of my lighting for one. So until next time, don't prep to outlast the troubles. Prep to not notice the troubles. And I will see you on the other side.